TIFU by sleeping to the sound of rain. TIFU by falling asleep to the sound of rain. I am somewhat of a light sleeper, so I wake up several times in the night. I was having trouble getting back to sleep in large part due to highway traffic noises that carried over to where I live as a result of new construction bouncing the sound back towards my house. So last year I bought a white noise machine to help drown out the sounds. I turn it on when I'm getting into bed and turn it off as I wake up. It worked perfectly. My favorite sound is the rain setting, and I've been getting a great night's sleep all year. Well, today it started raining quite steadily for the first time in months, and my mind seems to have taken this to mean that it's bedtime. I've been yawning non-stop for the last hour while struggling to stay awake at my work desk. TLD or TIFU by conditioning myself to fall asleep to the sound of rain. Now it's raining at work and I'm struggling to stay awake. You Pavloved yourself. You know, I wasn't a believer in white noise until this summer. We rented a house on the coast of Oregon for a month, and the sound of the ocean just knocked me out. I swear if I sat or lay down for 5 minutes, I'd just fall asleep. It's more effective than Ambien. But many people start to feel sleepy when it rains. Barometric pressure drop and moisture in the air. Turn on music to drown out the rain sounds. I used to watch Twitch streams to go to sleep, which ended up conditioning myself to fall asleep to talking. I then had trouble staying awake during my lectures at uni. I have conditioned myself to fall asleep to a certain TV show. Every time I put it on, I am asleep in minutes. Very effective for me, especially if I have changed from day shift to night shift. I highly recommend this to anyone. That is why I sleep to the sound of near silence. I have my rain app on every single night. Super confused at first because I read the title as Train, and not Rain lol. Now you need a highway traffic noise machine to drown out the rain sounds. You call yourself a light sleeper? Meanwhile, any sound including rain means no sleep for me.
If you enjoyed this video, please check out our playlists full of similar content. Epic Ericast is like doom scrolling for your ears. Please like, share, and subscribe.